This is the start of our alleyway. As you can see, there's a large buildup of rubbish. We've been here for approximately 2 months. No one has made any effort to clean this up. After riding past this rubbish for 2 months, I've decided to clean the alleyway from the top all the way to the bottom. I'm going to break it up into 3 portions. The first from the top of the alley all the way down to this first driveway. Then from this driveway just down to the edge of the buildings. Then from the edge of the buildings all the way down to the next fence. I expect it will take approximately 5 to 6 hours to clean the alleyway totally. I'm going to space this over approximately 2 weeks. There are 2 main reasons why I've spaced the cleaning over a 2-week period. Sundays are the quietest time to do anything down this alleyway, as schools run 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday. A lot of traffic does come down here to the school at the end of the alleyway here where the green gate is. The second reason is to see what happens to the areas that I've already cleaned, see how fast they are or if they do become littered again. This area here will be take a lot longer. There's a lot of rubbish due to dumping of rubbish, plus the dogs ripping up the rubbish bags. Dogs getting into the rubbish bags is a big problem around this area, as there are a lot of dogs. Also illegal dumping, as you can see there. Bins are needed in these areas, as you can see on that stick. This is how they try and stop the dogs from getting into the rubbish bags, by sticking the bags onto sticks higher up. Mostly the bags are just put into piles, as you can see over there. Dogs do just go into those piles, pull out a bag, rip it open, get what they want, and leave rubbish all over the laneway. I woke up early this morning to beat the heat. I managed to fill these 2 large rubbish bags in approximately an hour of cleaning. This is the finished product. I will come back with a shovel and fix up these edges. It did take me a lot longer than I expected. A lot of the rubbish was actually in the grass and in the vines itself, so this took a long time to get all the rubbish from that area. Plus there was a lot of dirt along the side of this alleyway, and in that dirt there was a lot of straws and plastic. I was very surprised about the amount of straws which I did find in this small stretch of alleyway. I didn't get as far as I expected today, but I do expect it to take another 4 to 5 hours to clean the alleyway. As you can see, one person can make a difference, but just imagine if there was 100, 100,000, 100 million people taking 1 hour a week to do something for the environment around them. Feel free to leave any comments in the comments section below. Also, please like and subscribe. And just remember, one person can make a difference.